I just wanted to show you how to check in on your interventionists and seeing how their interventions are going, how their attendance is being taken, and if there's any concerns that we need to check in with them throughout the year. To do so, just go to the Academic Interventions button in the lower right, and it'll bring up the search window. Just make sure to unselect yourself and click search. That'll bring up everybody's interventions that are in your school for the entire year. It'll open up by bringing this On Track by strategy. On Track is actually a probe, which we aren't utilizing probes at this time, but maybe down the road we may. So as we scroll down, you can see how many students are in your intervention in your school, by grade, etc. through these graphs. At any time, you can click within these graphs to see students specifically concerning that bar. Down at the bottom is where you'll see the list of students, their fidelity, which is their attendance within the intervention itself. This is not the school day attendance that's taken in PowerSchool, just so you know. You can see the type of intervention, their title of their group, what category, whether it's literacy or math, obviously your school, grade, ethnicity, gender, which is really important for ESSA and things like that, and then the intervention specifically dealing with this student. Off to the right in this window, I have to scroll over a little bit, you can actually see deeper within the intervention by loading it. So I'm going to click on Kim Nielsen's, and you can see this student, but you can click within here, you can see that there's no unrecorded days, they've got 80% attendance, and you can go in here and click on other students. You can generate reports by going down here. The creation report is something that we would work on to give to parents for information. Fidelity would be the fidelity report for attendance and things like that. Comments are made throughout the intervention regarding this student throughout the intervention. Progress monitoring we're not necessarily using right now until we really start to get into using probes. Some interventionists are using AIMSweb, and once we get that in, you'll be seeing rate of improvement with that data. Edit plan is where the interventionist goes to, say, end a student once they're done, they've graduated from their intervention, or they need to change their intervention strategy, etc. This is where they would do it. Any plan documents which we haven't uploaded yet, and then the summary will just bring you back to this home page. At any time, you can click on the box here, and it will actually show what days they were present, what day the staff was unavailable, etc. Can be seen within here. So, and I believe we've got the ability to change attendance. I wouldn't if you're not sitting right there with the interventionist, but you do have that ability. If there's any questions, of course, email educlimber@fortschools.org, and we'd be happy to help you